You can adjust the speed required to double or triple click the home button on your iOS device. To adjust the speed, first tap Settings, then tap General, then tap Accessibility. Under Interaction, tap Home button, and then select either Default, Slow, or Slowest. In addition, if you have an iOS device that is Touch ID compatible, you can set to just rest finger to open your iOS device. To open your iPad with Touch ID without having to press the home button, first tap Settings, then tap General, then tap Accessibility. Under Interaction, tap Home button and then slide the toggle right. Adjust the speed required to double-click or triple-click the Home button. To make those adjustments, first tap Settings. Then, with your iOS device in landscape mode, on the left side of the screen, tap General. On the right side of the screen, tap Accessibility. Then scroll down and tap Home button. Then you can select the default speed, a slow speed, or the slowest speed. You can also make selections to press and hold to speak for Siri or to turn Siri off. Last but not least, you can select rest finger to open the iPad with Touch ID without having to press the home button.